Besana was founded in 1921 by brothers Emilio and Vincenzo Besana, who first saw the huge potential of the hazelnut and walnut growing on the rich volcanic soil typical of Neapolitan area.
Since the start in the 1921, already after 14 years, our company was already leading the international market, and mainly the Great Germany, the United Kingdom, France and the United States.
Over the following decades, Besana & Co. grew organically, first in the national market and pretty soon abroad, thanks to important investments to expand its product range, to innovate its technologies and to develop new products.
The company has grown with a strategic site in England, opened in the late 80s, as a first foreign planted offices, which have been successfully enlarged. Later, we have started activities also in Amazonia forest from Brazil, in Tunisia, Turkey and China.
A wise and long-term strategy has guided the commercial expansion, together with purpose-built investments and joint ventures that have consolidated the international reputation and market position of the Besana Group, today considered a leading company in Europe and among the major players worldwide.
Today the group has 500 production sites in Italy and abroad, and in this way we have consolidated our pole position achieved already 70 years ago and maintained.
Besana Group scores its success thanks to the strong link with the territories where the raw materials come from.
In our history, our region was called the Campagna Felix, to emphasize the importance and the fertility of our soils. In the same spirit, we have founded the growers' cooperatives, to whom we are still today giving agronomic technical support in terms of treatment and sustainability.
The Besana Group is specialized in nuts, dried fruit, seeds and chocolate under private label for the major supermarket chains and retailers, and with semi-processed goods for the major food industries. Raw materials of the best quality come exclusively from certified suppliers from every part of the world, duly controlled and monitored by Besana Quality Assurance Team. Most of them are long-term partners, personally known and also visited by the company owners themselves.
I'm proud to say that I personally know almost all our suppliers, individual and entrepreneur, family companies, and we have together built a long-lasting and close relationship with all of them.
Products can be natural, roasted, spiced, mixed, processed, organic, fair trade and many more. But Besana does not supply only private label customers. Under its own labels, the group offers a fine selection of special products for festivities, high-quality chocolate, products for food service, and the newest gluten-free mixes for nut cakes, innovative snacks, and a delicious organic assortment. Besana Group was among the pioneers in the 90s of supply to the organic arena and is today among the front runners in Europe, both in terms of volumes and turnover. The group is co-founded of the consortium Alma Verde Bio, today a leading organic brand in Italy, and offers a wide range of organic items continuously evolving. Since 1990, Besana Group has produced a winning formula of nuts with chocolate and has been developing a considerable product range in this sense, investing recently in a new factory in Ogliastro Cilento, Vittoria Cioccolateri, creating high-quality chocolate creations using ingredients coming from the best suppliers in the world. The production process bases on tradition and know-how and on the most advanced technology to guarantee a continuous quality improvement and at the same time a wide production flexibility. These factors have gained the confidence of the most famous global brands in our outstanding chocolate products, and they have allowed Vittoria Chocolaterie to take care of their highest quality creations. The production plants of the Besana Group represent the best and most advanced technological facilities of the sector. The production processes are individually tailored to each single product, with the aim of satisfying even the most demanding customers. The selection processes are performed through very technologically advanced equipment, such as optical selection, laser, and UV. But the manual selection, carried out by expert personnel with long-standing experience, remains still an important conclusion to this process. Before their utilization, the raw materials go through accurate sanitization phases, such as CO2 fumigation and pasteurization. Besides food safety, always a point of priority, the group also offers plenty of special and value-added processes. Processes enhancing the flavor of products, roasting, salting, natural hickory wood, smoking, spicing, caramelizing, stuffing, infusion, and chocolate enrobing. Processes dedicated to semi-processed goods for the manufacturing industry, such as paste, flour, and chopped nuts. Thanks to 35 packing lines with partially horizontal and partially vertical flow, which are in constant evolution, Besana Group is today able to pack over 100 million small packs per year, from 15 grams up to 1 ton, reaching a total annual volume of 25,000 tons. This allows us to offer more than 30 different types of packaging solutions, and also to match the most stringent and individual customer requirements. Pots, pillow bag, square bottom bag, flare pack, clip top bag, single dose pack, innovative doy bag equipped with easy and innovative resealing window trays, PET and glass jars, PET and cardboard trays, net bags, and much more. Sophisticated multi-head weighing equipment allows precise percentages, even in the most diversified mixers and small packs. The principal commitment of the Besana Group is to the global quality system. A large quality assurance team controls and guarantees that any production activity of the group complies with current food and hygiene legislation with the HACCP system, in accordance with the food safety standards recognized by the Global Food Safety Initiative, and with other voluntary standards, as well as the codes of practice of the principal customers. The respect of such standards and rules is periodically audited by customers' expert representatives and by independent third-party companies, with the aim to reinforce and promote food safety along the whole supply chain. A traceability system is in place both backward and forward. A related software system attributes an individual code to each raw material and each finished item. The worldwide supplier base is constantly controlled and updated through scheduled supplier auditing. The Quality Control Department, through accurate and strict controls, ensures that the incoming raw material and outgoing finished products match in every detail the parameters set in the product specifications. Inbound, physical, chemical, microbiological controls. In process, online controls through random samples taken at scheduled intervals, and food safety device controls. Outbound, controls on the whole finished product to ensure the final quality is exactly matching the agreed standards. All Besana Group production plants work under controlled temperature to guarantee the best conditions both for the stored goods and for around 600 employees and workers, 65% of whom are women. A proactive pioneer for food safety requirements, the group has been intensely investing in innovative equipment sourced globally. The new pasteurizers and fumigation autoclave reduce the emission of CO2 and treat the product without any use of chemical substances. The whole roof of the mother factory in Naples is covered with photovoltaic panels.
We have invested in a photovoltaic system allowing us to self-supply 20% of our production power requirement.
Particular attention is given to the maximum efficiency of Besana's logistical activity, both in economic and environmental terms. Besides Besana UK, established close to London in the late 80s as an advanced logistic platform to closely serve UK and Northern Europe markets, the group has large warehouses for raw material and finished products within the production plants, having also invested in a huge and technically advanced logistics platform at Interporto in Nola, the biggest intermodal hub in the south of Italy, perfectly linked to the principal modes of transport.
Concerning logistic solution, we have invested in a storage and distribution platform at Interporto Nola, where we possess storage space of over 6,000 pallets, most of which are chilled.
Right on the highway and well connected with the ports of Naples and Salerno, only 20 minutes from Naples International Airport, and profiting from a high-speed train connection. All this facilitates transport towards Northern Europe, reducing truck movements and therefore the carbon footprint impact. Since the beginning, Besana Group has been focusing on research and innovation for products and production processes.
Technological innovation has been always a must in our activity. We are currently leaders in terms of utilization of technically advanced equipment and in continuous research of innovative consumer products.
New packaging, new recipes, constantly updated and highly innovative, satisfy even the most demanding customers in a continuously evolving market and in line with latest dietary as well as nutrition and health trends. Today, the Besana Group handles about 1,000 different SKUs every year, of which 10% to 15% are new product launches.